Good morning, everyone. In behalf of our back chairperson, Engineer Vega, I am Renan Manila, will present for today's meeting and sponsor works. Today we have a scheduled for rebid for civil works, consisting of 11 projects. Number 1, contract ID 24G0020, construction of Revetment wall along Jal-o River, Sitio, Mapait, Banga, Aranas, Balete, Aklan, with this amount of 39,200,000. Number 2, contract ID 24G0034, construction of road, Paraiso Road, Linabuan, Banga, Aklan, with ADC of 4,950,000. Number 3, contract ID 24G0044, construction completion of multi-purpose building, Barangay Bagto, Aklan, with ADC of 1,980,000. Number 4, contract ID 24G0049, construction completion of multi-purpose building, Barangay Banaybanay, Malinao, Aklan, with the ABC of 1,980,000. Contact ID 24G083, construction completion of multi-purpose building, Gaudencio Vega, National High School, Barangay Nalook, Kalibo, Aklan. The ADC of 2,970,000. For number 6, contract ID 24G0097, construction completion of multi-purpose building, Sipac, Malinao, Aklan, the ADC of 1,980,000. For number 7, contract ID 24G0118, construction completion of multi-purpose building, covered court, Andagao Elementary School, Barangay Andagao, Kalibo, Aklan, with the ADC of 2,970,000. For number 8, contract ID 24G0119, construction completion of multi-purpose building, covered court, Barangay Rubo, Kalibo, Aklan, with the ADC of 1,980,000. For number 9, contract ID 24G0121, construction of multi-purpose building, covered court, Aklan, with the ADC of 4,950,000. For number 10, contract ID 24G0122, construction of multi-purpose building, covered court, Barangay Paraiso, Aklan, with the ADC of 4,950,000. For number 11, contract ID 24G0136, construction completion of multi-purpose building, Barangay Libertad, Lamas, Aklan, with the ADC of 1,980,000. Also, please inform that we are being livestream by Facebook, Aklan DEO Procurement. In addition, the funding source is under NEP 24, thus the contract will be awarded to the respective dispensing leaders upon the release of the budget allotted for the above mentioned budget. So, before we start, let us have an opening prayer accompanied by Mama and Lezo.
Let us pray in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Lord, thank you for this wonderful time as we gather in your name to conduct our pre-week conference. Guide us, Lord, and help us to be able to understand and follow the government procurement reform act to achieve the objectives of this undertaking. Create in us, O Lord, the desire to be more dedicated and committed to our duties and responsibilities. Teach us to be more responsive to the demands of integrity in public office. This we ask our Son, Jesus Christ, our Lord.
Thank you, Mama. So, for that For the determination of quorum, may I call Mr. Revetment.
Okay, thank you, Sir Aranas, and once again, good morning. Today we have 30 projects scheduled for public conference for civil work. But before we proceed, let's have a roll call of our bank members who are present today. Let's start from our Vice Chairperson, Sir Hernabanis, because our chairperson is not around. Also, our two regular members, Ma'am Marla Gaudencio, Sir Joey Oreta, Ma'am Evelyn Delamid, also one back regular member is not around. And our provisional member also is around, Sir Candidate also ito. Out of six back members who are present today, but still we have a quorum, and the public conference can now proceed. Once again, thank you and good morning.
Thank you, Mr. Revetment. So, let me call on the technical personnel from planning design section for the detailed description of the project.
Good morning, everyone. Bulacan Arcade 24GA0020, construction of Revetment wall along Al-Ori versus Mapait, Barangay Aranas, Balete, Aklan. And the AGC of 39,200,000 pesos. Project duration is 190 calendar days. Revetment wall is 206.8 mm total length. Slope covering 0.20 meter thickness, reinforced concrete. Foundation is 6 meters steel sheet pile with that with gap. And walls 2 units segmental walls 10 units. This is the location plan using vicinity map and key map. This is the topographic plan. Next. For the Conrocide of 24GA0034, construction of road Paraiso Road, Barangay Linabuan, Banga plan. The ABC of 4,950,000 pesos. Project duration is 65 calendar days. Completing of road total is 0.600 lane kilometer, 5 meter width of PCCP, thickness is 0.20 meters, 1 meter shoulder width, and installation of solar LED street lights. This is that of the location map, topographic layout, and the vicinity map. The detailed plan of PCCP. The typical road section, A and B.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. For the contract ID 24GA 00444, it is the construction completion of MPB Barangay Bagto, Lezo, with an ABC of 1,980,000 and a project duration of 120 calendar days. The construction and completion of two-story building with 61.8 linear meter concrete roof beam, ceiling works, plastering works, painting works, stainless railings, and installation of doors and windows, as well as tile works, sanitary and electrical works. This is the ground floor plan and the second floor plan, including the schedule of doors and windows. And the elevation, front, rear, right, and left side elevation. For 24GA0049, the construction completion of MPB Barangay Banaybanay, Malinao, Aklan, has an ABC of 1,980,000 and a project duration of 90 calendar days. It includes the installation of complete 4 units of truss with center, mid, and side struts, and 552 square meters pre-painted metal sheets from grid A to grid E, painting of concrete with an area of 129.93 square meters, and painting of steel with an area of 527.57 square meters. This is the location map and the perspective of the covered court. The floor plan, including the front and rear elevation.
as well as the roofing plan, roof framing plan and other details for the truss and the middle strut beams.
Good morning, everyone. Contract ID 24GA0083. Construction completion of MPV Gaudencio and Vega National High School, Barangay Jal-o, Kalibo, Aklan, with the EPC amount of 2,970,000. Project duration is 120 calendar days. Description: construction of stage with 11 units of column, 2 units of truss, roofing equivalent to 98 square meters of pre-painted metal sheets with plastering and painting work. Concrete topping for covered court and line canal equivalent to 102 meters. Showing the perspective and the location map. Next is the floor plan, the front elevation and the side elevation. Next is the floor plan for stage and its roof plan. Next is the foundation plan and the floor tiling layout, roof in layout, and roof railing plan. Next is the details of full truss and the ceiling plan.
Good morning, everyone. With the contract ID 24GA0097, construction completion of MPP Sipac Malinao, Aklan, with APC amounting to 1,980,000, project duration 90 calendar days. Completion of MPP construction of line canal, glass fiber, ready-made basketry with complete accessories, and cement floor finish with floor hardener and rubberized floor paint, equivalent to 417 square meter. Installation of gutter, ceiling, color roofing with an area of 31.485 square meter of the barangay wall that has 5 steel trusses and also 2 sets of doors for the comfort rooms. Also includes electrical works, plastering works, and painting works. There's also an additional 1 set of aircon, 2 sets of industrial type fan, 1 set of extinguisher and fire extinguisher, and a centrifugal pump with jumper. So this is the equation map and the perspective. The floor plan and the front view and the rear view. Next is the section views and the section details.
Good morning, everyone. For the contract ID 24GA0118, construction completion of MPV Covered Court, Andagao Elementary School, Barangay Andagao, Kalibo, with the ABC amount of 1,980,000, project duration of 90 calendar days. Construction of 6 units of column, 4 units of concrete roof beam, 2 units of steel beam with 6 units of full truss, and 1 unit of single truss. Extension of rib type roof with extension of existing purlins with side flashing and gutter on one side of the roof. Concrete overlay of slab on the full area of the covered court. Installation of steel grate on existing water canal. 3 units of catch basin. Removal of existing guardhouse and existing obstruction. Construction of new guardhouse, finishing works, plumbing works, and electrical works. This is the perspective, vicinity map, and location map of the project. This is the floor plan and front elevation section. This is the right side elevation and left side elevation. And the longitudinal section, floor plan of the guardhouse and elevation of the guardhouse. With the right side elevation, left side, rear, and details of the window openings.
Contract ID 24GA0119. Construction completion of MPP Covered Court, Barangay Mobo, Kalibo, Aklan, with the APC amount of 1,980,000. Project duration is 90 calendar days. Construction of stage with 9 units, column footing, pre-painted metal sheets, concrete gutter, 7 units of truss, plastering, painting works with electrical works, construction of features on one side, fully plastered and painting works of existing beams and columns. Showing the perspective and the location map. Next is the floor plan. The front and the rear elevation.
Good morning once again. For the contract ID 24GA0121 is the construction of a PV covered court at Barangay Maria Cristina, Madalag, Aklan with an ABC of 4,950,000 and a project duration of 150 calendar days. The construction of MPB consists of the construction of 13 units of column with footing, 60 linear meter of concrete beam, 7 units of trusses with girts, purlins and accessories, primer, 698 square meters of roofing works with gutter and flashing, plastering and painting for the columns, beams and corbels, 2 sets of glass fiber, ready-made basketball ring and frame with complete accessories, electrical works and sanitary works. This is the perspective, the location map, and the vicinity map of the covered court. This is the floor plan and the section details for the trusses. For 24GA 0122, the construction of MPB covered court, Barangay Panipiasan, Madalag, Aklan, with an ABC of 4,950,000 and a project duration of 150 calendar days. It consists of the construction of 13 units of column with footing, 60 linear meter of concrete beam, 7 units of trusses with girts, purlins, and accessories primer, 698 square meters roofing works with gutter, flashing, plastering, and painting for columns and beam, and corbels, 2 sets of glass fiber, ready-made basketball ring and frame with complete accessories, electrical works, and sanitary works. This is the floor plan of the ground floor and the second floor, and the elevation plan, the front, rear, left, and right side elevation.
So good morning again. So with the contract ID 24GA0136, construction completion of MPB Barangay Libertad, Napas, Aklan, with APC amounting to 1,980,000. Project duration 90 calendar days. Completion of MPB. Construction of 6 units of column and footing, 6 units of roof beam, 2 span of roofing equivalent to 201 square meter of pre-painted metal sheets with 2 units of full truss, 2 units of center strut beam, 4 units of middle strut beam, and 4 units of side strut beam. Gutter, flashing, plastering, and painting works. Also includes the construction of 4 units of pavement with a total area of 320 square meters. The sanitary works include downspout and catch basin only. So this is the location map and the perspective. The floor plan and elevation. Next.
So, any clarification regarding the detail of the description of the project? If none, let's proceed. So, thank you, Planning Design Section personnel. So, as stated in our invitation to be prospective leaders should be number 1, registered with and classified as the Philippine Contractors Federation Board or PICAB with PICAB license for the category B or for the medium. The description of an eligible bidder is contained in the bidding documents, particularly in Annex 2, 1.1, Section 2 and 3 of the bidding documents. Contractors applicants who wish to participate in the bidding are encouraged to enroll in the LPWH Civil Works Application or the CWA and the LPWH Procurement Service, 5th floor, Nicholas Building in the Pasig Drive, Port Vega, Manila. while those already enrolled shall keep the records current and updated. The contractor's eligibility to bid on the project will be determined using the DPW's contractor profile utility process or CPEP and subject to further cross-qualification. Information on the decision can be obtained from the carriers during working weekdays from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. at the DPW's website www.dpws.gov.ph. Per GTP Resolution Number 15-2021, prospective bidders are required to upload and maintain current of the following eligibility documents and applications. A. Registration certification or SEC registration. B. Mayor's or business permit or its equivalent document. C. Tax clearance. D. Pickup license and registration. And E. Audited financial statement. Any expired documents among the aforementioned eligibility documents shall render the PLG's platinum registration certificate as automatically suspended and its validity shall resume only once the said expired documents is already updated with the PLG. For recently mayor's permit, the recent expired mayor's permit together with the official receipt as proof that the prospective bidders had applied for the renewal within the period prescribed by the LGU shall be accepted by the PLGs for the purpose of updating the PLG certificate of platinum registration and membership. Consequently, the prospective bidders shall maintain an updated and current PLG platinum registration and membership in the civil works application of the CWA. Prospective bidders with expired eligibility documents and have not yet updated their record in the CWA are advised to attach their newly updated platinum registration and membership certificate in the technical bid documents and not the updated particular eligibility Class A documents to be considered eligible by the bids in our committee. Only the following documents are required from the prospective bidders prior to the sale of bidding documents to be A. Company ID or any government issued ID. B. Authorization letter if not authorized liaison officer in the CWA example. Special power of attorney for the sole proprietorship or board joint venture resolution with the secretary certificate for corporation or partnership or joint venture or cooperative. C. Letter of intent for foreign funded project. Bidding will be conducted through an open and competitive bidding procurement using non-discretionary pass or fail criteria as specified in the 2016 Revised Implementing Rules and Regulations of the Republic Act 9184 or RA 1994, otherwise known as the Government Procurement Reform Act. The contract shall be awarded to the lowest calculated responsive bidder who was determined as such during post-qualification. Interested bidder may obtain further information from the DPW's Aklan District Engineering Office, Kalibo, Aklan, and inspect the bidding documents at Bidding Awards Committee Conference Room, DPW's Aklan District Engineering Office, Kalibo, Aklan during weekdays from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. A complete set of documents may be acquired by the interested bidders on December 20, 2023 to January 9, 2024 from the address below and upon payment of the applicable fee for the bidding documents pursuant to the latest guideline issued by the GPPD. The amount will vary in the project and the costing of the project. It may also be downloaded free of charge from the website of the Philippine Government Electronic Procurement System or PGIS and the website of the procuring entity, provided that bidders shall pay the applicable fee for the bidding documents not later than the submission of their bids. Bid submission may be done manually or electronically online. However, bidders should only select one mode of submission, either manual or electronic. Similar to manual submission, the guidelines for the preparation and submission of an electronic bid are contained in the BTS. Bids must be duly received by the Back Secretariat at the address below for manual submission or at the electronic bids underscore Aklan at the for the electronic submission on or before January 9, 2024 at 10 a.m. All bids must be accompanied by a bid security in any of the acceptable form and in the amount stated in the ITB Clause 18. Bid opening shall be on January 9, 2024 at 2 p.m. Bid Hours Committee Conference Room, available sa Aklan District Engineering Office, Kalibo, Aklan. Bids will be open in the presence of the bidder's representative who choose to attend at the address below. Late bids shall not be accepted. The available sa Aklan District Engineering Office, Kalibo, Aklan, reserve the rights to reject any and all bids, declare a failure of bidding or not award the contract at any time prior to the contract award in accordance with the Section 41 of the Republic Act 9184 as in IRR without thereby incurring any liability to the affected bidders or bidders. So, any clarification? Yes, sir. So, if there's none, the private conference for today is hereby adjourned. Thank you.